The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the expected sequel to the current best foldable phone you can buy. But if Samsung wants to keep that title, it will need to step up its game. After a couple of years of smaller Z Fold updates, we're hoping to see bigger ones with the Fold 5. Quite a few details about the two devices have leaked online in the last few months, and as we move closer to their official launch, we can expect more and more info to be revealed until there's not much mystery left. The latest information isn't exactly a leak, but more of a find. Folks over at MyFixGuide have come across a regulatory listing for the two upcoming Samsung foldable phones revealing information about their charging speeds. The devices apparently got listed on China's 3C certification website, where they're listed with support for 25 watts charging with Samsung's standard charger that carries model number EPTA800. So if you were hoping Samsung would bring over its 45 watts charging speeds to the new foldables, this is bad news for you. It also doesn't look like the Galaxy Fold 5 will see a major battery upgrade. 25 watts charging might seem outdated when compared to the charging speeds offered by Chinese manufacturers. For example, the recently announced Vivo X Fold 2 supports 100 watts wired charging, and even its wireless charging speed is double that of the wired charging speed of Samsung's foldables. But playing the numbers game is not Samsung's forte, and yet the Korean giant continues to attract customers, so it's not likely to change anytime soon. And based on what we know right now, it doesn't seem like the Fold 5 will get a bump in battery capacity either. It might even have a slightly smaller battery, although that can't be confirmed at the moment. But in any case, battery life shouldn't be an issue thanks to the for Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which proved to be a game changer on the Galaxy S23 series that will power the two phones. It's unlikely that the Fold 5 will be able to outperform regular phones on battery efficiency, due to its limited internal space and the fact it's got two displays to run. However, being able to last longer than the 8 hours and 20 minutes of the Galaxy Fold 4 and closer to the 10-hour mark that most normal smartphones achieved is something we're keen to see the Z Fold series match sooner, rather than later. The biggest Fold 5 rumors point to a new waterdrop hinge design that could minimize the crease, a lighter build, a faster processor, and possible camera upgrades. But if you're not getting a faster charging, it would be a major problem for heavy users. So what are your thoughts on Samsung's upcoming foldable lineup? Let us know it down below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.